Good evening. This is video 3.1, question 13. For our function f of x equals 3x squared plus 2x, we're going to evaluate and solve using the difference in quotient. So for our first step, we're going to replace every x with x plus h. So that looks a little bit like this: 3x plus h squared plus 2x, not 2x, 2x plus h. And now what we can do is factor in the 2 to x plus h, and we have to expand it so that looks a little bit like this: 3x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 2x plus 2h. And now we can factor in the 3, which means we get 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2x plus 2h. Now that we have our first part, now we can subtract, because now our next step would be minus. So for every x we put x, but that looks a little bit like this: 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2x plus 2h. And then we put this in parentheses minus parentheses 3x squared plus 2x. Now we factor in the negative, which leaves us with negative 3x squared minus 2x. So that looks a little bit like plus 6xh plus 3. I'm just going to write this really fast. Minus 3x squared minus 2x. And now we combine like terms. So this negative 3x squared and this positive 3x squared, this negative 2x cancels out this positive 2x, and we are left with 3h squared plus 6xh plus 2h. And now from there we can factor out the h. Oh, remember, this is all over h. So now we can factor out the h. So we're left with h 6x plus 6x plus 3h plus 2. This, since this is all over h, the h and the h cancel, and our answer is 6x plus 3h plus 2. Thank you.